Hello, and thank you for your attention. My name is Dr. Ryan Woodall, and I'm an assistant research professor at City of Hope and co-founder of Cairina, Inc. Cairina is a personalized healthcare company focused on predicting cancer's next move using dynamic MRI and physics-informed machine learning. Our goal is to individualize treatment planning for glioblastoma multiforme. Glioblastoma, or GBM, is the most common and most aggressive form of cancer originating in the brain. It is characterized by being highly invasive into surrounding healthy tissue. Despite appearing bright on post-contrast MRI, cancerous cells also permeate the healthy tissue and is therefore invisible to MRI. Research performed by the Munson Lab at Virginia Tech has shown that fluid flow within these tumors drives the migration and invasion into surrounding tissue. Standard of care for GBM is the most aggressive in cancer. It begins with an effective maximal surgical resection, followed by harsh radiation and temozolomide chemotherapy. Even on this aggressive standard of care, progression-free survival is only 5 months, and standard of care has not changed in 20 years. Standard screening for GBM includes a static pre- and post-contrast scan to delineate the enhancing tumor volume. However, this approach can waste up to 15 minutes of the patient's time in the scanner. Modern imaging techniques, standard at cancer research institutes, take advantage of this time, acquiring dynamic contrast MRI, which enables Cairina to capture interstitial fluid flow within the tumor. Using our patent-pending algorithm, Cairina uses dynamic contrast MRI to calculate the interstitial flow within the tumor, generating flow maps and streamlines that cancerous cells are likely to follow. From this field, we can predict, in 3D, where the tumor is most likely to recur at the tumor margin. Our algorithm has been peer-reviewed in a scientific journal. Importantly, our physics-informed algorithm is 20 times faster than neural networks, runs natively in 3D, and runs on a consumer-grade CPU. No GPUs required. In current state, our software can run on small animals and retrospective patient data. It is manufacturer and contrast agent agnostic. The standard radiation treatment field includes a 2-centimeter margin extended from the radiologist's drawn tumor region. To personalize the individual's treatment plan, we first process the dynamic MRI using our proprietary algorithm, using fluid dynamics theory to reconstruct the fluid flow field within the tumor, as well as calculating 5 standard measures of perfusion. We then post-process this data to determine the regions which are most likely to have invasive margins. This report is then provided to the physician to design a patient-specific radiation or surgical plan, increasing the dose to high-risk regions and decreasing toxic exposure to low-risk regions. Our software is lightweight and fast. We are capable of fitting into both the standard clinical and research radiology pipelines. After the scan is acquired, our software rapidly provides our proprietary fluid dynamics reconstruction, as well as our invasion probability map. This can be done locally on the physician's computer, interfacing with common radiology software, at the scanner, or in the cloud. The precision cancer market currently exceeds $50 billion, with growth driven by increasing cancer incidence, healthcare spending, and AI. The GBM treatment market is currently $2.4 billion and is expected to grow to over $5 billion by 2030, with growth driven by the aging population and increasing life expectancy. Our target market sectors include radiologists, radiation oncologists, cancer treatment centers, imaging specialists, and MR machine manufacturers. Cairina is a spin-out of City of Hope and Virginia Tech. We are founded by expert scientists in glioblastoma, fluid dynamics, and biomedical imaging. We are headquartered in Roanoke, Virginia, and have active collaborations and clinical trials at Carillion Clinic, City of Hope, and Virginia Tech. Thank you for your attention. We hope you will contact us with questions or ideas for collaboration.